Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use file properties to make Excel file read-only. So let's start this my Excel, and you can see the Excel status is not showing the read-only. So here I'm going to convert this Excel file as read-only by using the file properties. So I just closed this Excel file, I just closed, and simply right click on the Excel file and go to the properties option, and in properties of the file in general tab, go to the last option attributes. Click on the read only option and click on the first apply, then click on the OK, and that's it. This file is now will open in as a read only. I just double click on it, and here you can see the file status is read only. So this is a way you can use the file properties for convert this Excel file as a read only. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.